We are back at William Paterson, and I am proud to say this elevator at Raubinger Hall is finally in service. We're going to ride it. 4R. G. Wow, this elevator is beautiful. It was definitely worth the wait, even though I don't understand why it took this long. See if I can ring the chime. Interesting. Why did you ding twice? I mean, 3 times actually. Now, if I have to take a guess at what this elevator used to be, I think it was some kind of Dover or its related distributors, because the machine had a Dover before. This obviously did get replaced. There is a machine room. All right, let's go one more time to 4R. I just realized there are those 2 indents above the doors. I wonder if those are sensors. All right, floor 1. I like that one button. My only critique is that the arrows are not working. I mean, you can even see there's arrows there, but why are they not even on? Other than that, Schindler, you did a great job. Thanks for getting this elevator back. All right, we are done here. Wonderful job, man. Wonderful job, Schindler. Thank you so much. But while we're here, we're gonna give our Otis some love. And it's waiting for us. We'll just do one trip on this, since we all know how it runs, but it's always good to visit. up to 1. Notice there's no R on LL and 4. And the other elevator calls LLG. Alright, that will do it. There it goes. Alright. Again, big props to Schindler for getting that elevator back in service, and it runs beautifully. And of course this one too. I wonder which one gets more use though. We'll never know. Anyways, that's it.